I decided to come to Bangor after going through clearing. I didn't get the results that I wanted on results day, so I rung up 5 different unis, and Bangor just had this extra warmth to it.
My name's Emily Wagden and I went to Bangor University through clearing in 2018, where I studied applied terrestrial and marine ecology. I now work on the island of Jersey for several conservation organisations as education and outreach and training officers, and I also run my own conservation projects. So I work for the Jersey Biodiversity Centre and Ocean Culture Life. I couldn't have done any of that without my time at Bangor. It really laid the foundations for me to go on and get my master's degree. And it was the most reassuring university I called up on results day when I was going through a very scary clearing process. But it gave me the confidence and the knowledge to go on and achieve so many things that I'm really proud of today. And I couldn't have done any of that without those years at Bangor.